Why was this topic selected?
Civil War monuments, specifically Confederate monuments, have been in the news a long time. They've been in the news pretty much forever, but especially since the Charleston murders in June of 2015. So with that in mind, the museum is dedicating its annual symposium to the study of the past, the present, and the future of Civil War monuments. Our attention has been drawn to them because of the controversies, but even without controversy, monuments are a part of our world. Oftentimes they're an unnoticed part of our world. They become simply part of the landscape. They're all around us, but most of us take them for granted. They're just there. And we seldom stop to ask, how did they get there? Why are they there? Why are they right where they are rather than somewhere else? Why do they look the way they do rather than some other way? Why do they have the precise words on them that they do rather than other words? Those were all products of very purposeful thinking. Well, monuments are fixed in place. The generation that created them is not the generation that is going to live forever. The monuments have to continue to speak to the public and speak to the contemporaries. And that contemporary is always changing. So monuments that were erected 100 and some years ago, their context changed because the people of the communities changed, the times change. So what do we do with monuments that spoke to or represent the thinking of a past generation but don't speak to or even offend the people of a new generation? How do we adjudicate between the needs of the past, the present, and the future? How do we go about this? It's not an easy question. One reason why there is so much anger and frustration and nastiness sometimes in the discussion of this issue is that it's not an easy question to consider. We hope to sort of offer a lot of different perspectives and backgrounds that will help us kind of work our way through this process, explore it in a constructive way to try to come up with answers about what to do with them in the present and in the future.